Okay guys, nagkaroon Roblox na karong adlaw. Okay pare, pick a mood. First person, third person, I don't know what it is, but first person akong gigamit. So nami sa sudlanan diri, nami sa prisuhan. So kasama ko si Max, Mami Hara, tapos ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng laro to, but anyways, okay lang. Kasi importante mag-enjoy. So sabi, Max told me to go upstairs. And that is Mami Hara. So we go upstairs guys. Max, sino ba yung napunta sa labas? Ayan. Sunod ka lang dun sa taas. So do you want a berry? Anyways, blah blah, etc. So nag-join si Max, nag-join si Mami Hara. So we have to go outside. Kasi the goal is to escape from the prison. So dito. Oh, kaya naman pala. Akala ko hindi. But anyways. Oh, saan ba to? So according sa arrow, dito tayo. Papaluin natin to. Dito tayo sa itaas. So normally sa mga common escape plan, sa mga tawag dito, common escape plan sa mga kulungan, eh doon talaga sa air conditioner, ventilation fan. Oh, tumalon si Ay! Putik na yan. Namatay. Op! 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 Okay! Okay! Putik na yan. Patay na naman. Never give up guys. Okay, subukan na natin ulit. Op! Okay. Toing! 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 No, I'm playing games. Up! 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 Okay! Okay! That's the expert do it guys. Ayan. Alright. Dapat focus ka talaga sa larong to para makatakas ka sa kulungan. Okay. Ano ba? Walang nakita. Oy, mami. Nauna na si mami dun sa labas, oh. Ano ba? I-click natin yung, ayan. The green button. I mean, the red button. Ayan. Nag-flip na. Para makatalon ka dyan. Okay. Umuna si mami. Nauna na. Ako naman. 1. Whoop! 2. Yan. 2. Sabi ni Max, easy lang daw to sa kanya. Max is 4 years old still. Botik yan. Nahulog. Okay guys. Oy, sa mga hindi pala nag-follow sa Ogs TV channel, follow nyo naman sa Ogs TV channel. Oh, sa English naman, please follow Ogs TV channel guys for more support, for more videos guys. Thank you. I'm from Philippines nga pala. But I don't know how to address this, what language to use. But anyway guys, just comment down below to those viewers, supporters in Ogs TV channel, Roblox guys. Thank you. Para at least, so that at least I could adjust for you guys. So I could use English language, Tagalog language, Philippine language, Bisaya language, and anything. So actually I'm from Philippines guys. Thank you for the support. I'm inspired for this game because of Mr. Beast. There you go. So this is the police guy really catches me many times guys. I don't know how to go outside, how to escape with this guy. See? Nakapokus siya sa akin eh. Ako lang yung tawag dito, hinuhuli niya. But anyway, tatlo kami. Palagi kaming nahuhuli. Huli na naman. Ano ba to? Paano ba to? Sa mga may alam dyan, please comment down below. To those people who know this game, how to escape this guard, please comment down below. What happened? Again, okay. I have close and open winds, close and open and wrench guys. I don't know where to use this. He got me again and again. I don't know how to escape this guy. Okay. Let's go back and focus again. Oh! Sinubukan ko magtago dito. Ano ba to? Okay. Nakita na naman ako. Takbo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, Ilyas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, takbo! Alright. Ah! Guys, I don't know kung saan ako tatago kasi lagi ako nakikita nitong police guard na to. But I don't know how. I don't know where to hide. I don't know what to press para hindi ako ma-recognize dito. But talagang inahabol ako. Ah! Takbo! Takbo! Yan. Takbo! Diyan. Punta ka sa hagdanan. Okay. Cell number 4. And then cell number 5. Yeah, there. You have to jump there. Jump there! Ah! Huli na naman. Ay, nako. Huli ako. Huli. Nahuli na naman. Look at this. Max. Ah, the police guy. This is the Bomberman police guy. Ah! Dakpan. Always dakpan si daddy. Ah. Mommy is running upstairs. Ala, dadang! Ay! I always fell down, guys. Look at this. I have a screwdriver with me. No, it's not a screwdriver, guys. It's a wrench. Close and open-ended wrench. Okay. Ah! Guys, to those who are viewer supporters, please support Ogs TV channel, subscribe and like to follow TV for more videos, guys. Comment down below, guys, para so at least we can make another video for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll go to another one.
Ma!
The next one.
Oh my god. See. Look at this. Up! Ay! Nakapag yapon.